Well, thank you very much, and it's great to be with a very good friend of mine, the Prime Minister of Pakistan. We're going to be talking about trade and many other things, but trade is going to be of very, very paramount importance, and we're doing more trade as it turns, and we're working together on some borders, and we're talking about Kashmir and the relation to what's going on with Pakistan and India, and if we can help, we certainly will be helping. We've been watching that and following it very, very closely. But it's an honor to be with my friend, and thank you very much. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Well, Mr. President, good to see you again.
Thank you.
And yes, there are issues we want to talk about. Main issue, of course, is Afghanistan, because it concerns the U.S. and Pakistan. And fortunately, we are on the same page. Both of us are interested in peace there and an orderly transition in Afghanistan with talks with Taliban and the government. And also, of course, India, it is a big issue. For us in Pakistan, it's a big issue. And of course, we always hope that the U.S. would play its part in resolving it, because no other country can.
Right. Well, thank you. Thank you very much. We're going to have a good talk. Thank you very much, everybody.